Just stay very still and listen closely to the music. This will make the hiccups stop, I hope. Take a deep breath. Hold it, hold it! Hold it, Cap!
Well, what's going on here then? And is there any food involved?
Boo! Did it work? I don't know. What were you doing? I was trying to scare you so your hiccups would stop.
That never works. What's all this about hiccups?
Ellery, now is not the time. Daffodil, are you sure you still have the hiccups? This is all you've done? Oh, no. We have a team of Lilybuds, each carefully planting the royal garden, all according to the map. So, if you'd like to come back later and... Wait a minute. Where's your friend? The fancy one? Lilac? Yes, that one. She seemed quite sure of herself. I'd like to speak to her. No, wait a minute.
It's unbelievable. The do-gooder Lilybuds are completely out of control. Ah! Time to go before I'm blamed for any of this.
Good news, our hiccups are gone. Bad news, we didn't have time to fix anything. Well, it's definitely not what we were supposed to do. But you have to admit, it has style. Oh, no. Huh? Oh, no. Princess Olivia won't like this at all. It's not beautiful or peaceful or formal or... Great goosenecks, what is that thing? I'm sorry, Ladybug. We let you down. Never mind about me. What about Princess Olivia and Prince Norbert? The garden is his favourite place in the kingdom. Oh, whoops. It's all my fault. No one else's. I was nervous about getting the work done, so I told everyone to drink their berry juice quickly, and it gave them the hiccups. With all due respect, Ladybug, I think it looks interesting. Interesting? That wasn't on the map.
Wait till you slide on the hedges. It's fun.
Now you have to admit, it's different.
And delightful. Keep your eyes closed, my darling. We're almost there.